Hi everyone, I hope you all are fine. So, today I will discuss about the poem The Tiger written by William Blake. So, who was William Blake? William Blake was an English poet and painter. He was a very famous English poet. He has written The Tiger, that is from Songs of Experience. So, the tiger, just like Rabindranath Tagore wrote Gitanjali. So, in Gitanjali there are so many poems, just like the tiger included in a collection of poems, that is Songs of Experience, and the tiger is taken from that Songs of Experience written by William Blake. Here is a famous poem written 200 years ago by William Blake when tigers were plentiful. Tiger, tiger, burning bright in the forest of the night, what immortal hand or eye could frame thy fearful symmetry? So, here the poet talks about the tiger and he wonders about the structure of tiger, and he says that the tiger is looking very bright, just like it is burning in the forest of the night. And he also made a question, what immortal hand or eye could frame thy fearful symmetry? Frame means build, could frame thy fearful, fearful means dreadful, fearful means great fear, symmetry means balance. Symmetry means balance. The poet made a question that what immortal hand or eye that has built you? The poet wonders that is God really capable of creating such a terrible animal tiger? So, the poet made this question, that what immortal hand or eye, that what immortal hand or eye could frame, could build thy fearful symmetry? In what distant deeps or skies burnt the fire of thine eyes? On what wings dare he aspire? What the hand dare seize the fire? The poet here made so many questions. Distant means far away, deeps or skies. Deeps means actually here, deeps means hell and skies means heaven. Burnt the fire of thine eyes. The poet wonders that what distance, deeps or skies burnt the fire of thine eyes, on what wings dare he aspire? That from what infinite places, distance means infinite places, the fire has been brought and put into the eyes of the tiger. On what wings dare he aspire? And the Almighty and the person, just like and the person who has created the tiger, on what wings he aspires to seize the fire, and the fire he has gone to seize the fire from the heaven or from the hell to put into the eyes of the tiger. So, that is why the eyes of the tiger are burning. And what shoulder and what art could twist the sinews of thy heart? Of thy heart. Sinews means the tissue that joins muscle to bone. Okay. And the poet also expresses his wonder that what kind of shoulder and what heart, what art that the God has, that he has made you. He has made the tiger, and when thy heart began to beat, that he has made the heart of the tiger. So the creator has also the very powerful shoulder, and he has a great art that he is able to make the heart of the tiger. And when thy heart began to beat, what dread hand and what dread feet? And when thy heart began to beat, and what dread hand and what dread feet? And the hands of the tiger and the feet of the tiger, really very dreadful. So the poet made a question that what kind of shoulder or art the creator has. Here the creator means God. The creator has, that he was able to make the heart of the tiger, and the hand of the tiger, the feet of the tiger, hand of the tiger, feet of the tiger, very dreadful. Okay, the hand of the tiger is very dreadful, the feet of the tiger are very dreadful. What the hammer, what the chain, in what furnace was thy brain? Furnace means fireplace or chimney. What the anvil, what dread grasp, dare its deadly terrors clasp? The poet wonders about the brain of the tiger. The poet says that what hammer, chain, furnace used. The creator, what hammer, what chain, anvil, furnace. Anvil means the iron block on which the metal has been hammered. ঠিক আছে, hammer means হচ্ছে হাতুড়ি, and just like এটা একটা আয়রন ব্লক, এর উপরে কিছু রেখে একটা হাতুড়ি পেটা হবে. So the iron block on which the metal has been hammered. So what anvil the creator used to build the brain of the tiger? What dread grasp, dare its deadly terrors clasp? Dread grasp means take hold of forcibly or suddenly. Dare its deadly terrors clasp. When the tiger looks very terrible, the tiger looks very ferocious. What dread grasp, dare its deadly terrors clasp? And what dread grasp means the creator is also very dreadful that he has made such type of ferocious animal. So the animal that the creator has created, the animal is dreadful. So the creator who has made such a dreadful animal, he is also dreadful. When the stars threw down their spears, stars means they are angels of the heaven. Angels live on the heaven. So when the stars threw down their spears and watered heaven with their tears, did he smile his work to see? Did he who made the lamb make thee? Means the angels, they start crying on seeing such type of terrible animal, and the heaven is filled with water by their tears. Why do they cry? They cry because they see a dreadful animal and they feel scared. They feel scared, they feel nervous. They means the angels feel scared, the angels feel nervous on seeing such type of terrible animal. Did he smile his work to see? Did he who made the lamb make thee? Thee means you. Okay, he almighty means God. So the poet made here a question that if he means if the creator smiled to see his work, that is the terrible animal tiger, and really it is possible that the creator, means God, who has made an innocent animal like lamb, he also made such type of ferocious animal like tiger. Is it possible? The poet is also confused. How is it possible? The creator has created an innocent animal like lamb. Lamb is so innocent animal. The creator has also created the terrible animal like tiger. Tiger, tiger, burning bright in the forests of the night, what immortal hand or eye dare frame thy fearful symmetry? Here, lamb means Jesus Christ. Here, lamb has dual meaning. One, lamb means Jesus Christ, who has been sent by God on earth to save people from sin, and also we can say that lamb means the lamb of the lamb from the poem The Lamb. Okay. So, one lamb refers to Jesus Christ and other lamb refers to the lamb from the poem The Lamb written by William Blake. So, William Blake written The Tiger has been written by William Blake, that is from a collection of poems named Songs of Experience. William Blake also wrote The Lamb, that is taken from a collection of poems named Songs of Innocence. Songs of Innocence. Okay. Songs of Innocence, collection of poems, and from this collection of poems the lamb has been taken and the tiger from Songs of Experience. Songs of Experience. Okay. Songs of Experience also a collection of poems. So, in the last stanza the poet repeats the same lines, that tiger, tiger, burning bright. The tiger is looking very bright as he is burning in the forest of the night. At night, what immortal hand or eye dare frame thy fearful symmetry? So, the poet made a question, is God really capable of making such type of terrible animal like tiger? And the creator dares so much to make such type of ferocious animal like tiger. So, that is all about the poem The Tiger. The poet here made so many questions. The poet really confused that is it really possible that the creator who has made created an innocent animal like lamb, he has also created terrible animal like tiger. So, here we can have so many description about the tiger, and he also made the question what hammer, what anvil, what chain used to make the brain of the tiger and the brain of the tiger. So, these tools just like hammer, chain, furnace, these tools are used by iron smith to make heavy metals, okay, to make heavy things. And here the brain of the tiger has compared with iron. So, the brain of the tiger is no less than an iron, okay, it is as strong as iron. The brain of the tiger is as strong as iron, okay. So, there also, and what solder, there also the poet wonders what solder and what art the creator has, that he has created such type of ferocious animal and he has created the heart of the, he has created the muscles of the heart. Okay, what type of muscle he has used to create the heart of the tiger. Okay, and the creator is also dreadful, fearful, as he has made such type of ferocious animal like tiger. The creator, we can say the creator is also innocent, as he has created an innocent animal like lamb. So that's all about the poem. So no need to read too much about the poem, just memorize the whole poem and remember songs of collection of poems. Okay, songs of, this is important, songs of experience. The tiger is taken from songs of experience, that is written by William Blake. Okay. So that's all about today. I hope you all understood. Take care, stay safe, stay home.